Hi, it's the in front of you Motorola Edge 40 Pro, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first, just launch the Play Store application, and in the search bar enter the X icon changer app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app, and here you'll see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you can change. For example, let's change the contacts icon. Just to rename it, click here to this edit icon. Here you'll see library with different folders with the icons. We could use them, or to use photo from our device gallery, or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use one from these available icons. This is the contacts one, so let's find the similar icon. Click on the right upper corner to OK. Tap to this X icon. Now click Add to Home Screen, so we could change the next icon or go to the desktop just to check the new contacts icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs up and to subscribe.